The AUTOPHIX 3210 Bluetooth scanner is highly compatible, supporting a wide range of vehicles from various brands worldwide since 1996. It effectively demystifies the check engine light, providing real-time data and enabling users to clear fault codes easily, making it ideal for do-it-yourself car care. This scanner offers professional-level performance testing, allowing users to track essential car metrics and receive built-in alerts for a safer driving experience. In addition to diagnostic capabilities, the device monitors real-time battery voltage, offering precise insights into battery health with built-in overvoltage protection. The AUTOPHIX 3210 is compatible with both iOS and Android, turning a smartphone into a powerful diagnostic tool without the need for additional apps or subscriptions. With its low-power technology, the scanner preserves battery life by entering sleep mode when not in use, making it an energy-efficient tool for vehicle maintenance.